Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got issue 39 of Eagle Moss's Build Your Own Back to the Future Delorean. So issue 39, we're going to do some more cables again today. Let me show you what we get. So these are the parts we get. As you can see, we get this lovely floor in there, and that is not used in this issue unfortunately, but we can have a look at it today. We also get all these cables down here, and there's some tabs. As you will see when we open the booklet, we get these wires here. We get wire number 9, number 10, 11, 22 and 23, and we also get the floor piece, some tabs and some screws. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take in 4 of the cables, number 10, 11, 9 and 23, lining them there. And yeah, basically these guitars we want about 2 inches off the edge. Add some tabs on, and then we're going to add wire number 22 down here, and then we're going to add the tabs on for that. And that's basically it for this issue, so it should be another nice quick easy one. So yeah, I think this is the last one where we do all the wires and stuff for the lower half of the car. I think this is actually the lower half of the car completed, and then we start the interior and all the interior and everything. We start all that, and then we start the exterior of the car. So yeah, looking forward to all that. But for now, let's get these parts open and start building. So first up, I did say I was going to show you this. This is the floor interior of the vehicle, and as you can see, we've got the rails there for where the seats actually go. We've got the piece for the center column here, and as you can see, it looks very nice. It is quite nice plastic. The color is quite nice. I have seen a lot of people carpet these, and it's very popular that they're carpeted. And Mike Lane does an excellent carpet mod where you can go on his website, you can buy basically a carpet template that he's already done. Everything's already cut out for you. All these holes are cut out of it, and all you have to do is peel it off the back and stick it down, and then you've got your interior carpeted. I will leave a link for that down below, and you can go and have a look for that, and I'll put an image on the screen of what it looks like when it's completed. It does look really good. So we may do that, or we may get some doll's house carpet and cut it out ourselves. Don't know which way I'm going to go yet, but yeah, we don't use this in this issue. So let's get the car down and get the wires installed. Okay, so we got the car down, and like I said I was going to do last time, I did put the black insulating tape on here because them little sticky tabs they gave us weren't very good at all. So we're going to need 4 of the cables first. So we need numbers 9, which is the white and black one. We need number 23, which is the blue and red one. Number 11, which is the green and red one, and number 10, which is the blue and green one. So basically all we're going to do is we're going to get all the white ends, just like that. I don't think this really matters what order you do this in, so you can put these in any order along here. It doesn't really matter. We'll put them in the order that they've got them. So they've got 11, 10, 23 and 9. Just like that. And basically all these are going to be doing is they're going to be going down here. So we want these at the back edge, just here. And we're going to locate them down with some tabs in a moment. So we're going to run them down there. Then they're going, power cable's in the way, let's move that out of the way. Just down here, through this piece here. And then they're going to keep going down there like that. So now we need some tabs to locate this in. So let's get some tabs and some KM screws. So here we've got our tab. We're just going to make sure that they're lying flush down there, and it wants us to have about 2 inches. So roughly, it actually wants us to do it from the back here. So we're going to make sure they're all roughly about the same. I'd say that's roughly about where it wants us to do. So we're going to put the tabs on now. So the first tab, the screw hole is going to the outer edge. So let's get the tab on and hold that there. Get our screw in. That's that piece locked down. So now we can still adjust them at the moment. And now the next tab is going just down here between these 2 points here and here. And this one is going to be going with the tab piece, the screw section closest to the engine. So it looks like I've got a smaller hole and a larger hole here. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. It may have some paint block, but it went in fine. So let's get the next screw, get that in. secure that one down. Just like that. Okay, so the next tab, the screw side, don't think it really matters which way you do it. Let's try it and see if we can do it different. I don't think it matters. Both holes look the same. So I'm going to try and do it the opposite way to see if it matters, just out of curiosity. I actually wanted us to screw this side, but no, nice and secure, so it doesn't really matter. And then wires are now there with all these ones ready to be installed into our console that's going to be just here. So very nice. Right, now we need to turn this bad boy round, and we've got another wire to do this side. Actually, I can do it from here. So we're going to want the white end out of here, coming down here, through here, and it's coming over here just like that. So now we're going to need 3 tabs, one here, here, and here, to secure that in. So let's get the first tab in place. Again, it wants us to have the screw section to the outer edge. Right, let's grab a screw. And we're not using them little sticky things this time. They didn't supply us with any sticky things, so we're not sticking them down because so we can adjust these when we're finished. The next tab is go in with the screw side closest to the engine again. So let's try and locate that in. Just like that. New screw. Straight down the center, just like that. Right, last tab, and that's the issue complete. Okay, for the last tab, we can put this in here and give it a good push down in here. Find that these tabs just don't want to locate into here. I don't know if it's because of the paintwork, but you've got to give them a good push to get them in, some of them, but they do go in eventually. Right, and there we go. That's all the wires in now for our interior, so we've got them all over here. It does look a bit of a wiry mess down here at the minute, but I'm sure that'll be tidied up in the future. And yeah, we're going to have fun when we connect this up to the top half. So that is the bottom half pretty much complete now. So this is pretty much going to go into storage for the next probably year while we build up the interior and the exterior. And I think when we get to issue 90 something, we connect the top half to the bottom half. So I don't think we need this section again until then. So let's take a look and see what's coming up in the next issue. We are going to have the panel and pedals. So it looks like we're going to be doing some work maybe with this, where we connect this panel onto here to make our sort of footwell section, and then we can install the accelerator, clutch and brake pedals all in there. And it looks like we get some wires and some other little bits, some more tabs, a little spring looks like. So yeah, should be fun. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. If you like this video, please leave a like, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye bye.